laughing cats are skipping by, tails are swishing, paws tap, dance wild. In a world where we live unbeguiled, chasing sunlight through the daisy fields, tiny hands and paws refusing to yield. Twilight whispers as day starts to fade, in their hearts joyful moments are made. Children and cats in a merry parade, laughs and meows in a serenade, simple joys in a boundless cascade. Time slows down in this sweet brigade, dirty knees and noses in the sand, climbing trees, kittens close at hand. Nature's playground in an endless sprawl, echoes of laughter through the nightfall. Children and cats in a merry parade, laughs and meows in a serenade, simple joys in a boundless cascade. Time slows down in this sweet brigade. Under moonlight they rest side by side, dreams of adventures in a world so wide. In the stillness love is amplified, in their eyes pure happiness abides.